I want to tell you about some of our Alpine products. I want to show you, this is our Spudz Pro. We also do a Spudz Ultra and a Spudz Classic. Now, the main difference between these products, first of all, the Spudz Pro comes with a bottle of anti-fog that you can store in the pouch. It comes with a 10x10 microfiber cloth, so it's excellent for any kind of situation you might find yourself in with cleaning optics. The Spudz Ultra, this has a pouch that flips closed. So compared to the Classic, camera guy can get a close-up of this. The Spudz Ultra has this little flip pouch on it right here. And the Classic is open bottom. This is our original model we've done for years. We brought this out a few years ago, but people have asked us what's the difference between the Classic and Ultra. That's primarily it. So if you really want to just quickly get your microfiber cloth out and it's attached to the pouch, the Classic's a great item. But if you want a little more protection for the cloth inside, the Ultra is a great item, and then you can upgrade to the Pro if you'd like as well. Thanks for watching Alpine Products.